Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Miss Pinky through and three, and guess what? I got some treats for us. Let me show you one. Look at this. Yeah. And it's customized, but let me tell you what it is. This is Fixture Gaming's Fixture S1. Yes, I know. It is holding the Switch. You see that? I can walk around with it and everything. So let me tell you more about this, okay? So again, this is the Fixture S1, and I got a customized name on there, the color, the branding. You know, we love branding over here. So they sent this over to me. They gifted to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Fixture Gaming, for sending this over to me. I met the team at PAX East this year, 2022. And what caught my eye was basically seeing the Switch screen. I'm like, that's a little TV, but you know, because it is. And I was like, let me check that out. Let me see it. So I was sitting there playing. I think it was it Mario Kart? It might have been Mario Kart. And I was like, okay, I like this. So I wanted to show all my friends what it was. So it actually comes with the case. See the case here. I'm going to tell you more about this too. All right, friends, look at it. So nice. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to tell you how this thing goes. So it comes with instructions. So it shows you how to pop the controller in there. So look, pop. There you go. It's already in that joint. So you good to go. Next, you slide it up. Make sure it's lined right. There you go. Yep, there it goes. Now adjust it how you want it, you know, so you can see it nice and neat. Okay. We got it. Look at that. Yes. Now how I did the installation for the controller to my Switch, I just plugged it in, like docked it and plugged it in that way. So it was just easier for me to do that. But look at that. Ooh, your girl got her own. Look at Pink Squad. So here is the case I was telling you about. And I like the case. It's nice and durable. I got all my stuff in there. Look at that. Controller is in there. You can put your games up there. And I got all my controllers in there. Yep. So it's very convenient. I can take it anywhere I need to take it. You know what I'm saying? And I don't have to worry about it getting beat up. All right, friends. So not only did I get a chance to try out the S1 Fixture, I went to DreamHack Dallas and I let my friends try it out too. So here's what they thought of it. So Big, how you like it?
It's pretty cool. I like this.
You like it? Have you seen something like this before?
I actually haven't. I travel a lot. I like to travel a lot. So this is actually be something good for me to have, like while I'm waiting on my flight.
Yeah.
Like layovers, different things like that. Even on the plane.
Right.
Like I like this.
Yeah.
My fingers don't hit the screen, and if it do, I can adjust it a little bit. I like this.
Okay. Like it much? Have you seen something like that before?
No. I like that it holds like a big, yo, this is so cheap. I need this. Because I ain't gotta do this. I can do this. I could be in bed. Wait, let's try this one. Alright, I'm holding it. Ain't gonna fall. I'm like, is it gonna fall on my face? Oh shit.
You like it? You on Switch, bro?
Right. You gotta get that.
And you can customize it too.
I didn't notice the back of it.
Yeah, right. Okay, so you looking at it, you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. This is kind of dope that you could just throw it on screen. Like, it's convenient. You ain't got to be like,
right.
This is genius.
So it's kind of like having your TV in the palm of your hand.
In front of your hand.
Yeah.
Stick right here. Sit right here. See, this will get you indulged in the couch.
Yeah.
You'll be sitting on the couch.
You like it, Dee? Have you seen something like this before? Nah. Look at it. Don't mind him. He is a character, right? So yes, friends, this is definitely Pinky approved. So go ahead, over to fixturegaming.com. Yes, fixturegaming.com. I'll put everything in the bottle for you so you can go ahead and get over there. But use my code MissPinky313 so you get some change off your, your purchase, and you support your girl, her content. Win-win situation. All right, y'all. Thank you again so much to the Fixture Gaming team for allowing me to show this off to all my friends, so y'all can go ahead and get one too. Please, and try, get your custom one too. You'll like it. You'll love it. All right, friends. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all later. Bye.